This is a quick video on how to rename a channel on a GTMedia free satellite receiver. Starting here in the main menu, we'll select Channel and TV Channel List. And then once you're at this menu here, highlight the channel you want to change the name of. I'm going to change Escape to its new proper name, Mystery. Now press the blue Edit button, and then this menu comes up. And then press the green Edit button. And now you can click OK on the channel that you've highlighted. And if you click OK one more time, a keyboard comes up. And then you can use the red button to delete this name and put in a new name. We'll press Page to get to the capital letters here. And we'll call this Mystery because that's the name of the channel. And you can just use the green button to shift through the different keyboard options. There's quite a few of them on this receiver. And once you're done, hit the yellow button to save. And yellow button one more time to confirm. And you can see the name has changed. And when you go to your program guide, you'll see the new name there.